Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, today we are going to solve the examples from practice set 3.1 from the chapter Circle, which is based on tangent theorem, converse of tangent theorem, and tangent segment theorem. So let us solve the examples of practice set 3.1. So first example is in the given figure, the radius of the circle with center C is 6 cm. Line AB is the tangent at A. Answer the following questions. So observe the figure and answer the following question. What is the measure of angle CAB? The angle here, CA is the radius, and why? What is this angle? So first answer, CA is the radius, segment CA is radius, and line AB is tangent at point A. Therefore, by tangent theorem tells us that radius is perpendicular to tangent. Therefore, angle CAB perpendicular means angle CAB is equal to 90 degree. Now, second question. What is the distance of point C from line AB? Now, point C from line AB, the distance, it is the radius. So, distance CA is equal to 6 centimeter, since distance of point C from tangent is the radius. It is the radius of the circle, and radius is given 6 centimeter. Third question, distance AB. Distance AB is 6. Find BC. Now CA is also 6. AB is also 6 centimeter. Find BC. Now the triangle CAB is a right angle triangle. So triangle CAB is a right angle triangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square. Therefore, BC square, you have to find AC is 6 square plus 6 square. Therefore, BC square is equal to 6 square is 36 plus 36, 6 square. Therefore, 36 plus 36 is 72. Therefore, BC is equal to square root of 72. Therefore, BC is equal to 36 into 2, that is 6 root 2 centimeter is the BC. Like BC is, so distance BC is equal to 6 root 2 centimeter. So BC is 6 root 2. Now fourth one, what is the measure of angle ABC? Angle ABC is equal to how much? Now we know that 6 is equal to 1 upon root 2 into 6 root 2. That is, in triangle CAB, AB is equal to BC, AB is equal to AC is equal to 1 upon root 2 times the length of the hypotenuse BC. Hypotenuse is BC. So by converse of 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree triangle theorem, angle angle ABC is equal to 45 degree. Second example, in the given figure, O is the center of the circle, point R is the external point, Rn and Rn are the tangent segments touching to the circle at point M and N. If OR is 10 cm and radius of the circle, so here OM and ON are the radius, they are 5 cm, then find what is the length of the each tangent segment. So we have to find MR and NR are the tangent segment. Now in the figure, here this angle by tangent theorem, angle OMR is equal to angle ONR is equal to 90 degree by tangent theorem, since radius is perpendicular to tangent. Now in triangle, let us consider triangle OMR. Angle OMR is equal to 90. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, now here this is a right angle, side opposite to right angle, OR is the hypotenuse. In this triangle, OR is the hypotenuse, so square of the hypotenuse OR square is equal to OM square plus MR square. Therefore, OM is 10 square is equal to, here OR is 10 centimeter, then OM is 5 square plus MR square. Therefore, 10 square is 100 is equal to 25 plus MR square. Therefore, MR square is equal to 100 minus 25, which is equal to 75. So MR is equal to square root of 75, that is 25 into 3, which is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. So MR is 5 root 3 centimeter. So the tangent segment from external point are congruent by, therefore by tangent segment theorem, by tangent theorem segment tells us that the tangent segments from external points are congruent. So here MR we got how much? 5 root 3, therefore NR is also 5 root 3. By tangent segment theorem, MR is equal to NR is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. Now what is the measure of angle MRO? This angle. What is the measure of this angle? Now if you observe this triangle, right angle triangle, it is a right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, OM is half the length of OR. So we know that phi is equal to 1/2 of 10, that is in triangle OMR, OM is equal to 1/2 length OR, half of length OR. Therefore, by converse of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle theorem, converse of 30, 60, 90 degree triangle theorem tells us that side opposite to 30 degree is half the length of the hypotenuse. So angle OMR angle MO, angle OR, angle MRO, angle MRO is equal to 30 degree. Similarly, we can find angle NRO also. Angle NRO is also 30 degree. Now, third one, find the measure of angle MRN. Complete measure angle. Now this is 30, this is 30. So by angle addition property, it will be 30 plus 30, that is 60. So third angle MRN is equal to angle MRO plus angle NRO. By angle addition property, that is 30 plus 30, which is equal to 60 degrees. So angle MRN is 60 degree. Third example, segment RM and RN are two tangent segments, circle with center O. We have to prove that this OR bisect angle MRN and angle MON. You have to prove that these two angles are congruent and these two angles are congruent. Now, so observe the diagram. There are two triangles. So in triangle MOR and triangle NOR, both this triangle, segment OM is congruent to segment ON. Segment OM and ON are equal since they are radii of same circle. Radius of same circle are congruent. Now, segment OR is congruent to segment OR. It's a common side in both the triangles. And segment RM is congruent to segment RN. These both segments are the adjacent segments from the external point. So by tangent segment theorem, they are congruent. Therefore, triangle OMOR is congruent to triangle NOR by side test of congruence. They are congruent. Therefore, once two triangles are congruent, their corresponding angles are also congruent. Therefore, angle MRO is congruent to angle NRO corresponding angle of congruent triangle, as well as angle MOR is congruent to angle NOR. Here also it is corresponding angle of congruent triangle. Therefore, both angles are bisected, both these angles are congruent in this angle. Therefore, segment OR bisects angle MON and angle MRN. Fourth example, what is the distance between two parallel tangents of a circle having radius 4.5 centimeter? Justify your answer. So let us consider a circle. Let us consider circle with center O and line AB and line CD be two tangents to the circle. So let these two be tangents to the circle. Now OA is equal to OC are the radius of the circle. Radius which is equal to 4.5 centimeter given. These are the radius and AB and CD are the tangent segment. Therefore, by tangent theorem, radius is perpendicular to tangent. Radius is perpendicular to tangent. Therefore, that is angle between the radius and the tangent is 90 degree. Therefore, angle OAB is equal to angle OCD is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, this 90. Therefore, angle OAB plus angle OCD is equal to 90 plus 90, which is equal to 180 degree. So now if you observe these two angles, they are interior angles between two lines. So sum of interior angle is 180 degree. Therefore, by interior angle test, line AB is parallel to line CD, that is tangent AB is parallel to tangent CD. So therefore, sum of interior angle is 180 degree. Therefore, by interior angle test, line AB is parallel to line CD, that is tangent AB is parallel to tangent CD. Here two tangents are parallel. Now distance between two parallel tangent, that is AC. This AC is equal to, now AC is equal to AO plus OC. Between is A dash O dash C. Therefore, distance between two tangent, that is parallel tangent, AC 4.5 plus 4.5 is given. Radius OA and OC are the radius. This is 4.5. This is 4.5. So adding this, will get the distance between AC, the distance between the two parallel tangent, that is 9 units, 9 centimeter is the answer.